reflect the performance on the 5 thematic areas on our manifesto: creating job and wealth for all Ugandans, delivering education, health and water, ensuring justice, equity, protecting life and property, and achieving economic and political integration. Government has completed the construction of 20 zonal industrial hubs, and 14 of them have been equipped with welding machines, carpentry machines, tailoring machines, baking machines, stone cutting, block making machines, shoe making machines, value addition machines, and sales. Each of these facilities has the capacity to skill 600 Ugandans per year in different disciplines, free of charge. And so far, 2,000 youth have been passed out from these facilities. The contribution to skills okufukirira mu districts ez'enjawulo n'amakomera wamu ne judiciary, simanyi wekyogera mu Uganda naye mujja kunyamba nayo olaba nga tulina kyamaanyi kyetukoze okulaba nga emisango egibadde giremye okuggwa nga gimala obudde bwangu nagyo gikolebwako. Bannayuganda bannange, mbaagaliza wiiki ennungi eya manifesto, ebisinga ku ebibajja bibagamba. Munzikirize ngende eisingiro, ab'eisingiro njabagamba mubatumidde.